welcome to Go Guitar. We have Rod Wave here with a song called Even Love. So if you are a fan of Rod Wave, check out my other tutorials here on Go Guitar. We actually have a playlist, especially now after new album Last Lap. So let's go into this song. It's called Even Love, and we have 3 chords that we're gonna handle. It goes in the same way through the entire song, and we're gonna use a capo set on the 1st fret. So I'll put that on first, and now let's go over the chords. I'm gonna start with D minor. So that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have the A sharp, and we're gonna go with the sus version. So that's a bar chord where you play the index finger on the 1st fret, and you cover all strings except from the last E string here in the bass. So 5 strings below, and then you need to add 3rd fret on D string and 3rd on G. And the final chord will be F. Another bar chord on the 1st fret. This time you cover all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Okay, so we're gonna look at the strumming now, the last thing to do. And we have 2 parts in the strumming that are very similar. It's just a pause in between that separates what you're gonna do. So we're gonna look at the transition here from the first 2 chords, D minor to A sharp, and it goes like this. Okay, so that is to play on D minor, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, and then clap, up, down, up. And then you shift chord to play the part 2 with A sharp. And you have a pause in between here, and that pause kind of eats up the first down that you played. We already learned that. So imagine that pause just takes away the first down, and you just continue in the exact same way, and that will give you up, clap, up, down, up. And that is exactly what you're gonna play here in part 2. So pause, and then up, clap, up, down, up. So if you put this together, it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Pause, up, clap, up, down, up. And that is the chord progression. Then we have the final chord, F, where you're gonna play 1 full string around. That means both part 1 and part 2 together, which will be. Put all of these chords together in a row, D minor part 1, A sharp part 2, and F 1 full round, and you play it off a couple rounds, it will sound like this. You start practicing slowly and gradually speed up like I just did. And there you have Rod Wave's Even Love. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, play tuned.